If you're encountering Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your cloud saves working again. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent cloud saves from syncing properly. Step 2. Restart Steam. Close the Steam application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the connection to the Steam servers and may resolve the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Navigate to your game library, right-click on the affected game, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Step 4. Check Steam Cloud settings. Go to Steam Settings, then click on Cloud. Ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for Applications which support it option is checked. This setting must be enabled for cloud saves to function. Step 5. Contact Steam Support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Steam Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, seeking help from the community or support may provide additional solutions.